You got people coming over and want to wow them with a stunning starter? Look no further. Today on Ranna Roshmita, we are making prawn lollipops. Crispy, juicy, and utterly irresistible, they are surprisingly easy to prepare and guaranteed to steal the show. Let's get started with prepping the prawns. Start with prawns that are fresh and deveined. Remove the shells, leaving the tails intact. Then, gently cut the tails with the shell on and set it aside. This will be the stick for our lollipop later. Next, we will marinate our prawns with some garlic, ginger, green chilies as per your heat tolerance, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and juice of half a lemon to remove any fishy smell. Season with a pinch of turmeric powder, a dash of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Lastly, add a handful of breadcrumbs to the mixture. These breadcrumbs will absorb excess moisture and keep our lollipops tender after cooking. Blend everything into a coarse paste, which should be stiff enough like this. Let this mixture marinate for 10 minutes to soak up all the flavors. Next comes the fun part, shaping. Coat your hands lightly with refined oil and roll the mixture into 7 evenly sized balls, or as many as you have prawn tails. This is where your lollipops start to come to life. Next, we will be making a crispy coating. For this, crack an egg into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and whisk it into an egg dip. Along with this, in a plate, season some breadcrumbs with a little salt and keep it ready. Then, take each prawn balls and dip them into the egg mixture. Then, roll the prawn balls generously in the breadcrumbs, making sure they are coated evenly. Once coated, insert the reserved prawn tails into each ball. Make sure they are secure, and voila! You got perfectly shaped prawn lollipops ready to fry. At this stage, you can either fry them right away or store them in an airtight container in a freezer for later. Next, we will fry them. Heat refined oil in a deep pan or a kadhai. Then, carefully lower the lollipops into the hot oil, ensuring they stay upright so the tails don't loosen. Fry them on low heat until they turn golden brown and crispy like this. Once done, drain them on paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. Serve your prawn lollipops on a bed of fresh salad, hot, with zesty dipping sauce like a spicy coriander chutney or tangy mayo dip. These lollipops are extremely beautiful starter or a party snack, and your guest will be raving about them. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!